Hello and welcome to Daily English Learning. Are you ready to improve your English with a fun and easy conversation? Listen carefully, repeat each sentence, practice speaking with confidence. Let's begin. Hi, Alex.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thank you.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I do. I'm going to visit my grandparents on Saturday.
That sounds nice. What will you do there?
We'll have lunch together and talk for a while.
That's lovely. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I'm going to the park with my friends.
That sounds fun. Are you going to play any games?
Yes, we're going to play soccer and have a picnic.
Wonderful. I love picnics.
What are your weekend plans?
On Saturday, I'm going shopping with my sister.
What are you going to buy?
I need a new backpack and some books.
Nice. What about Sunday?
I'm going to stay at home.
What will you do at home?
I'll watch a movie, read a book, and help my mother cook dinner.
That sounds like a relaxing day.
Yes, I want to rest before Monday.
Good idea.
I hope you have a great weekend.
Thanks. You too.
See you on Monday.
See you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Listen again. Repeat each sentence. Practice with your friends or family. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily English Learning for more beginner-friendly English conversations.